do the Beetlejuice lip because Halloween and Penelope's gonna help. Okay, first I'm gonna use this like eyeliner as a lip liner. Penelope, just get your lips white however you can. Okay, so then I just got this like Halloween lipstick. I'm gonna put it right over. It's like doesn't really work. Hello. You look pretty. I had this like Wet n Wild. Hey. It's called Enchanting Body Crayon. I like just found it in my makeup. This is good. Okay. She's white. And we're gonna put black over it. Like squeeze your lips together. Oh my god. It works. Shut up. Bitch. They're like zebra. Okay, so I have a handful of eyeshadow. I'm just gonna like blur that shit out, I guess. Oh my god. I love this. Done.